Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing the Cosori electric kettle, 1.7 litre, and if you're looking for a safe, fast, and stylish electric kettle, this one is definitely worth checking out. So, let's start our review today and check out the product link in the description box. Key features. The Cosori electric kettle 1.7L, borosilicate glass, 1500W is a modern and reliable electric water boiler designed for fast heating, safe usage, and clean drinking water. This kettle is specially made for users who want to avoid plastic contamination, as there is absolutely no plastic contact with water. The interior parts that touch water are made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, while the body is constructed from durable borosilicate glass, which is known for its excellent heat resistance and long-lasting performance. This combination ensures that water remains pure in taste and free from harmful chemicals, making it ideal for daily tea, coffee, baby formula, and cooking needs. With a large 1.7-litre capacity, the Cosori electric kettle is suitable for both individual and family use. It can easily prepare multiple cups of tea or coffee in one boil, saving time and energy. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, the kettle boils water quickly, usually within 5 to 7 minutes, which is much faster and more energy efficient than traditional stovetop kettles. The powerful heating system is designed to deliver consistent performance while maintaining safety and durability over long-term use. Safety is a major focus of this kettle. It features an automatic shut-off system that turns the kettle off immediately once the water reaches boiling temperature, preventing overheating. In addition, the boil-dry protection ensures that the kettle will not operate if there is no water inside, protecting the heating element from damage. The handle is designed to remain cool during operation, allowing users to pour hot water safely without the risk of burns. These safety features make the kettle suitable for homes, offices, and even dorm rooms. The Cosori electric kettle is also designed for convenience and easy maintenance. Its wide mouth opening allows users to clean the inside easily by hand, making descaling and regular cleaning simple and hassle-free. The kettle sits on a 360-degree swivel base, which means it can be lifted and placed back from any angle, making it equally comfortable for both left-handed and right-hand users. The cordless design and built-in cord storage help keep kitchen countertops neat and organized. A soft LED indicator light turns on while the kettle is heating, giving a clear visual signal during operation. In terms of appearance, the kettle features a sleek black glass design that looks modern and elegant in any kitchen setting. The transparent glass body allows users to clearly see the water level and boiling process, adding both practicality and aesthetic appeal. However, because the kettle is made of glass, it should be handled carefully, as it may break if dropped. Additionally, the outer surface can become hot during boiling, so caution is advised while touching the glass body. That was today's review. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.